Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my channel. My name is James Kenneth, and you're welcome to St.JamesCrypto. Now, I'm totally happy because of today being the 15th of September, as a lot of us have waited, have anticipated, we are looking forward, is today a very, very monumental day as regards to BNB Tiger. Now, what I like about this community is that we are driven by what we see and what we heard. Yeah, you hear me right. Now, before I go into that, I just want to make a shout out to Mr. Michelle Cameron. I got your information and I'm enthusiastic to I'm a kind of person that like to search out information and to know you know, I like to make research, so I got these texts and I got this message, and I want to give a shout out to you. I'm going to do justice to it. I'm going to read it and I'll get back to you. I need some couple of days because I'm also busy on some stuffs. And of course, to you out there, the community, I just want to thank you all for also being patient with BNB Tiger. It's a kind of it's a walk. I will tell you, it's a long way walk that we've come to, that we've all gathered here to today to you know to look forth to this wonderful bond that the dev team have initiated today, and everyone's like looking, okay, what's going to happen? Like, are we going to see instantaneous are we going to see instantaneous movement in the market, the price shooting up, and everything sort of stuff, and that kind of thing? But ladies and gentlemen, I just want to put this out there to you because I read through their website and through their Twitter handle. I'm like trying to find out what's going on with the bond, what's happening, and even while I was busy, I was like, okay, let me see what's going on. Now, the the BNB Tiger dev team put up a post like a couple of hours ago regarding what has been going on with the token and what they've done in regards to the bonding. So BNB Tiger team posted these on their Twitter handle, and they announced to the public that they've officially bond sent trillions, like almost 11 trillion, I believe, to it, more than trillions, to a dead wallet. Now, I'll put the link below. I think it's more than a trillion. I'm sorry, maybe the figure's huge. But according to them, they bond $100,000 worth of BNB Tiger. Okay, 100,000 worth of BNB Tiger. So, and if you go to BSC scan, you will see it there. In fact, on their Twitter handle, I'm going to also put their Twitter handle under the description of this video. You can check it out. They have it there, and you can confirm that. But looking at what is happening, ladies and gentlemen, I think there's something going on because with the general crypto market, because we've seen that no much activity is going on. The market is once again trying to pull up momentum. It's the beginning of the week. After we saw a couple of drawbacks yesterday, it's not just for BNB Tiger alone, for the entire crypto market. Okay, so looking at that, some people started, calling names, the dev team calling them names on Twitter, on CoinMarketCap, making some kind of publishing some information, which I think it's quite too early. It's quite too early to start doing that. And of course, I'm not here because I'm not being paid by any dev team. I'm just trying to also look out for the community as well, do my own research and try to understand what they're actually doing, because it's not as if this is going to take a spontaneous effect on the market, no, on the price. That you don't expect to see that. Now, a lot of crypto have been doing bonds all over the year. Like they've been conducting some bond events, and it hasn't really taken effect the way uh, the public or the community will want it to be. So I think that is the same thing that is going on with BNB Tiger, because right now the dev team came and they posted that they completed $100,000 worth of BNB Tiger. To me, if they call this monumental bond $100,000, I think the debate here is that that amount is too small for me. Okay, that amount of burn is too small. A lot of guys, I know a lot of people were expecting like removing like half of the supply, that would do that would go way, 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 way more than like, shooting this price to like 1,000 or 2,000x. And now from time, I was just like keeping my cool to understand what is going to happen, because this community were expecting if they are going to do a new migration, and if they are not, scam project as we are, or some of us, including myself to some point, I was like, okay, I'm still holding my position. I can't call them scam. I just want to say that the dev team should do more to prove themselves, because for me, it is too small. This type of a bond, we waited for this. If this is what they call monumental, it isn't, because even the daily volumes like surpasses this, by far. So if you go to CoinMarketCap right now, if you see the daily volume, it says almost over 500K daily volume. So if they're doing 500K daily volume on CoinMarketCap alone, or you could imagine, so how much is coming in, how much is being traded on BNB Tiger, and what is the dev team trying to do as regards to this bond. So I think they are not really serious with this bond. They should try to, pull more into the system so that the people would really benefit what they are looking up to, so that the expectation of the public could be actually met. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is the time that BNB Tiger, the new project, if they want us to take them seriously, and if they want us to take them to accept them, like, yeah, this is the new project and we are moving from what we have, and now we want to bring everybody, we should see a real project coming on, not this, because this alone still looks like there's something fishy there. I mean, you don't call this monumental. 100K, 100K, come on. So, yeah, we still have a long way to go. This is we're looking at, according to CoinMarketCap report, the new BNB Tiger has a market cap of almost 7 to 8 million, if I'm not correct. And so that means 7 to 8 million. That means they're burning, what am I saying? Not even up to 1/10 of the market cap. Not even up to. They are burning a fraction, very, very small fraction, and they call it monumental. So that's where my problem is, because the way they took this project and they made it as if it's something that the public is looking like it's going to be wow, it's going to create that wow effect in the market, and the price will shoot up, and they're going to make, that's where my problem lies. I mean, they made everybody have this wow effect and push this project to a lot of us, and yet we could just look at them and say, oh, that's not really what we wanted. We wanted more. I mean, We wanted to see this project run. We wanted to see more be done by the dev team. So, and of course, the debates still go on with the people trying to stay on the old project and the people who's trying to stay on the new project, and people like us. I'm not ashamed to say that people like us who are I'm still in the old project, I'm still in the new project. So until there's a proper integration, a connection that would put everybody in the right place, I think if the dev team wants to get this correctly, they should be doing mega bond. And when I mean mega bond, I mean it should be a mega bond, not what we are seeing now. It doesn't pay, it doesn't add up to what we're expecting from the dev team. I mean, what they are saying and what we're expecting, there's no connection. So the dev team should be doing more. We as the community, we want more. The church, the people, the community, we want more. So, or else we are still going to remain on the old project because we are not seeing a reason why we should be migrating totally to the new project. Now, having said that, I also want to say this. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're really enthusiastic about trading, if you're really enthusiastic about making some profits alongside, if you want to trade, there's a partnership going on between me and btcc.com. I'm trying out their kind of their platform. I'm looking if I could make some extra fun right there. So if you want to trade, you know how to trade. It's not for everybody, but to you out there, you're looking to make some money in trading, I'll ask you to check out their platform, their bonuses on your first trade, and they have demo accounts. You can check them out. I'll leave a link there at this video so you can do that. And I also want to say this also because XRP ETF goes live, ladies and gentlemen. So it's also what I want to say because we all are waiting on BNB Tiger. It's a prophetic coin. A lot of people also from the prophetic community, we saw what XRP over the years has been doing, spoken a lot, and we saw the big project coming on. I think, ladies and gentlemen, this is time. It's time for you to jump on XRP. Okay, I know some of us, most of us like me, we're doing our 9-to-5 jobs. We're studying. Some of us are students. Some of us are still doing our stuff. Some of us are family people. But please, let nothing hinder you from investing in XRP. Of course, not everything that I say on this channel. In fact, this is not a financial advice. Let it be on you. Let it be on you that you invested because you understood the market. You understood that this will also bring value to you. So that's what I'm doing. I'm investing in XRP. I'm diversifying my portfolio, a little bit of Shiba, a little bit of XRP, a little bit of XLM, a little bit, right in there. Of course, where it is right now, it's a shame that I didn't enter XRP when it was very, 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 very low. I would have made more money, but it's good. It's still low, believe me. Where we're seeing some of the brethren, their testimonies regarding XRP also cannot be overemphasized. We have people like Brandon Giggs talking about this project, a lot of prophetic crypto community also. And of course, so we're seeing what we're seeing going on in BNB Tiger alone is very frustrating. Please don't just keep your funds in just BNB Tiger. So that's why I'm saying this. I'm really very happy about what is going on. So I'm very enthusiastic about XRP. I'm very enthusiastic about Shiba Inu. Let's see where it's going to go on the long run. So that's what I want to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. If you watch to this point, please like, subscribe, follow me for more, and see you on the next one, because for now, I'm just going to chill and watch what is going on. And like I said, if you want to check out the bond, what they did, I'm going to put a link here to the Twitter, to what they publish on their Twitter account. I'm also going to leave a link to the BSC scan, so you can check, you can see that for yourself. You can check it for yourself. You can see what they actually burn, and you can follow them also on Twitter, the new project, because I'm still not convinced. I'm still thinking about this project, this new BNB Tiger, what they are doing. Brother, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to really state our mind, but not to insult, not to cause. You're not made for that, but to express your mind, what you feel. Talk to the community, why we're trying to, integrate everyone together. Of course, everyone, your decision still remains on you. Whether you migrate or not, your decision still depends on you. The bull run still continue. We're entering into a huge, huge moment for alt season right now. And from now to the ending of the year, I know it's going to be a great run for alt season. So for the altcoin. So don't get carried away, ladies and gentlemen. So if you remain with me to this point, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, follow me for more. And please share this video with your friends, family. And see you on the next one. Bye for now from St. JamesCrypto. Bye-bye.